Oh, hey, thanks for your meme. Thanks for your meme, Goose. Can I pet you? Thank you. Hey, no! Bad Goose! Bad Goose! Bad Goose! Stop! Let go of me! Let go! Let go of my cursor. I will exit out of your meme. Oh no! Oh no! 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 I regret that. No! I'm sorry. Okay, well, guys, we're going to be playing some Phantom Forces with a goose on my screen. So he's just gonna bring memes. This is kind of hard because if I move my mouse cursor too much left, it just goes off my screen for some reason. Probably because I have two monitors. Yeah, so that's gonna be a little annoying as well. So I have a goose and there's another problem with my monitors. Oh no, I think Goose is getting me another meme. Can I see your meme? What meme are you getting me? Are you getting me a text box? Nope, you're getting me a meme. What is this? What is this? Why does this look like it's drawn in MS Paint? I'm an agent of chaos. You are an agent of chaos. Ah! My cursor went on the stupid meme! Why? Dumb goose. My cursor went on the stupid meme the goose put on my screen. Now it's annoying. I'm gonna get rid of this meme if I can. Okay, goodbye meme. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Goose, come over here. Come on my second screen. I want to see if we can go on my second screen. No. No. Give me my cursor back. Stop. He's like he's cute, because if he wasn't cute, I probably would just hold escape, which is how you actually get rid of him. See? Hello. So yeah, the link for this will be in the description, and how to get rid of it, you just hold escape. Okay, good. Oh no, he's getting me another meme. I might just leave for a while and see how many memes I get, and then try to play with them. Oh no, he's tracking mud on the screen. Come on, stupid goose. No, 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 no. Wait, can you take me to the deploy thing? Thank you. That's mud, by the way. That's not poop. A lot of people think it's poop, but no, it's mud. Also, I'm not very good at this game, and you guys probably all know that. I like the little pitter-patter of his feet. Right. Oh, I got him. Oh, I died. Look at chat. Rip Mr. Peanut. What? Stop tracking mud on my screen. I'll at least get a meme. I'd be better with a meme. Just don't track mud on my screen, Goose. Okay, thanks for not tracking mud on my screen. Also, I figured out a button to check out my gun. If you guys want to see it. It's the wrong button. That'd be funny if in an actual war, it's just like, I want to check. I'm just going to look at my gun real quick, and then just throws a grenade. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Stop tracking mud on my screen! Can you bring me a meme, Goose, please? Can I have a meme? I would like a meme. I like your memes. Can you go get a meme? I pet you. Alright, let's assist. And kill confirmed. It's funny whenever there's a vote kick, everyone just votes yes. Oh, thanks for the duck. I really like it, Goose. Thank you. Or is it a goose? Actually, it makes more sense if it's a goose, so I'm just gonna say it's a goose. Thanks for your text pad, Goose. Wait, what if I just, can I write on it? I can. Goodbye. Oh. No. No. Oh, wait, I could, oh, because it's Roblox, so I could still move it. That's probably why. What a meme. Give me a meme. Ah! Hey, Goose, can you give me a meme? Can I have a meme? It's funny. Sometimes I'm pretty sure sometimes he brings up a thing where it's like, where it's a Patreon link to support the person who actually made this. It's funny. Actually, it's really clever though. Shout out to the person who made this. I don't know who made it, but like, oh my god, I see on my second screen. It's the Patreon thing. Oh, come on. No, I don't want your Patreon. Where's the X? Thank you. Oh no, 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 get out of here. Stop, stop it, stop. Fine, grab my cursor. Never mind. It also is kind of distracting just to see a goose on my screen. That's a cool sniper. He's on my face. Hello, Goose. Ah. Also, guys, if you're wondering what the video I made earlier was, I just saw a meme where it was like that, so I was like, I want to do that as well. And to be honest, yay, a meme! Stunks. Oh, it's that one again. Honks. Thank you for the meme. I like the meme. Thank you. Yeah, next time I die, I'm just gonna pause the video, wait like 10 minutes, and then come back to see how many memes are on my screen. What is this? Hey, no camping. Nice. Nah. Ow. It's funny. I never realized it said that. No. No, this isn't the time. Okay. Okay, know what? If he steals my mouse, I'm just gonna let him steal it. I'm not even gonna click so it goes back on Roblox. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm going to hold on. I'm just gonna. No! He stole my mouse. I actually can't move. Let me move. Okay. And go back. And F5. Well, I want to show you guys something funny. Hold on. And okay, well, I'm just gonna take like 10 minutes off, and then let's see how many memes he brings on my screen. Okay, guys, I'm back, and there's 3 memes and a notepad. This is gonna be a little annoying. Goose, you did good work at filling my screen with memes, but you should do that. Wait, no, there's 4 memes. Look, there's 4 memes. 4 memes in a notepad. You're doing really good, Goose. Mess with the honk, you get the bug. I got a Steam chat. Who was? Okay, so guys, Nomuno is joining us. There's a lot of memes and a lot of text pads and stuff. So there's gonna be a little echo with my mic, and yeah. Okay, the echo's gonna start. 3, 2, 1.
I'm back.
Okay, I unpaused the video. So
wait, TJ.
Yeah.
I
unpaused the video, by the way. Okay, so never mind. Nobuno's not gonna join us. He can't play. So these memes are really annoying. Ah! No, I'm gonna close out of this guy. Oh no! Why? Why? No! He stole my mouse. Ha ha ha! You can't steal my mouse. Now I can still move. Also, guys, the skin that I have on my gun is really cool. If you guys see it, see like it, like the galaxy one. The other one's cool too, but then I have. I wish I could have a sniper as a secondary. Actually, a shotgun. That's what I'm trying to get. A shotgun for my secondary, because I know there is a shotgun you can have as your secondary. Let's do honk. Busy day. Yeah. Hey Goose, can you bring other memes than to do and trouble or whatever? And what? And that trouble. Goose. Oh my God, why did I move it there? Not X. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. You. Oh my God, no. I might play a game with this where or when it actually steals my mouse, my camera goes like, yee! Like goes crazy. What the? How did that guy snipe you with a stupid shotgun? What? Nice goose. No! I was trying to pet you. Why do you not want me to pet you? I want to pet you. Ow. What is B? Okay, B is captured and funny goose. There's just dead bodies in there. It's funny. Where'd the goose go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Peace was never an option? Oh no. Is he gonna kill? Please don't kill me, Goose. Now what? Guess what? Dude. Ah! Oh my god, he's fast. Fast goose. So fast. Ah! Mm. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I'm going into a game. Oh no, you can catch me. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna end the video soon. Hello, Goose. I'm gonna kill you at the end of the video, so get ready to die. Guys, let me know if you want me to get Untitled Goose Game, because I really want it. Yeah, you're happy that I want it? What? I want to play another match. Oh, how did I get in? You tried to steal me. You failed. Guys, if your gun is full ammo and Phantom Forces, reload it while it has full ammo and you'll have 21 shots. Oh, you'll have 1 extra shot. Wall bang. What the? Goose, are you getting a meme? No, you're just getting mud on your feet. That's funny. Funny Goose. I have a goose on my school. I'll pet you all I want. That'll make you dance. Spin. No! No! No, I don't want to vote for Rick. I want to vote for Ruins. No, Blizzard. I touch you, ha ha ha. I pet you, ha ha ha. You don't like being pet, but I pet you anyways. Ha ha ha. No, no. Shakes. Okay. This map's cool. Cool map. Literally, because it's snow. What you up to now, Goose? What you doing? Can you if you bring me one more meme, if you don't bring me one more meme, I'll kill you. No, I'm just kidding. Wait, did I say after this match I'm gonna end the video? Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the video now. Okay, so, guys, that's it for this video. No! I can't end the video. No, hope y'all enjoyed, and can you let go of me? I want to end the video. Okay, know what? You asked for this. Goodbye, Goose. See you tomorrow. I would never. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies.